Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Samsung just dropped some serious tech bombs at their latest Samsung Unpacked event. Get ready because the Galaxy S25 series is here, and it's bringing the future to the palm of your hand. We're talking three incredible models, the S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. Each one packs a punch, but the Ultra, it's in a league of its own. Now let's talk displays. The S25 series boasts some of the most stunning screens ever seen on a smartphone. The S25 rocks a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, while the S25 Plus bumps it up to a spacious 6.7 inches. And then there's the Ultra. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're talking a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a mind-blowing 120Hz refresh rate. Trust me, once you experience this level of smoothness and responsiveness, you'll never want to go back. Remember those vibrant colors I mentioned earlier? Yeah, they really pop on these displays. We're talking about 1 billion colors, people. 1 billion. Whether you're scrolling through photos, watching your favorite movies, or just browsing the web, everything looks incredibly vivid and lifelike. And with HDR10+ certification, you can expect exceptional contrast and detail, making every visual experience truly immersive. But Samsung didn't stop there. They also packed the S25 series displays with some serious brightness. We're talking peak brightness levels of up to 1750 nits, which means you can comfortably use your phone even under direct sunlight. No more squinting or struggling to see what's on your screen. The S25 series makes sure you never miss a beat, no matter where you are. Let's talk power. The Galaxy S25 series is an absolute beast when it comes to performance. Samsung has equipped these phones with the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Translation? Blazing fast speeds and buttery smooth performance no matter how demanding the task. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just multitasking like a pro, the S25 series can handle it all without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about the processor. Samsung has also packed these phones with ample RAM to ensure everything runs smoothly. The S25 and S25 Plus come with 8 GB of RAM, while the Ultra steps things up a notch with a whopping 12 GB. Trust me, with this much RAM, you can have 1 million tabs open, run multiple apps simultaneously, and still not experience any lag or slow down. And let's not forget storage. The S25 series offers plenty of space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. You can choose from different storage options, starting at 128 GB and going all the way up to a massive 1 TB on the Ultra model. That's right, 1 TB of storage in your pocket, so go ahead, download all your favorite games, shoot endless 4K videos, and capture every moment without worrying about running out of space. Now let's talk about the brains behind the operation software and AI. The S25 series runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.0 layered on top. This means you're getting a clean, intuitive, and feature-rich software experience that's both powerful and easy to use. But the real star of the show is Galaxy AI. Samsung has integrated its most advanced AI engine yet into the S25 series, and it's about to change the way you use your phone. We're talking about personalized recommendations, intelligent automation, and next-level assistance that anticipates your needs and helps you get things done faster and more efficiently. For example, Galaxy AI can analyze your usage patterns and optimize battery life accordingly, ensuring you can go longer between charges. It can also help you take stunning photos and videos with its AI-powered camera features like Scene Optimizer and Single Take. And with its advanced language processing capabilities, Galaxy AI can even translate languages in real time, making it your perfect travel companion. The future is here, and it's intelligent. With its powerful hardware, stunning display, and groundbreaking AI integration, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series redefines what a smartphone can be. I can't wait to see what you guys do with it.